When the world ends, where will you hide?
Today, we use AI to reconstruct the evolution of survival. From the first fire in a hole to the starbases of tomorrow. 5,000 years ago, Sumerians used bitumen as the first chemical seal. The secret of keeping the abyss at bay. Derinkuyu, 85 meters deep. This stone wheel was an ancient airlock, protecting 20,000 people from the unseen.
Medieval keeps were the first true bunkers. Layered architectural traps where the king was the final line of defense.
In the 1800s, survival moved into the safe. Security became a mechanical dance of absolute precision.
The air became a weapon. For the first time, humanity had to wear its shelter on its face to survive the wind. The atomic age moved fear into the bedrock. Concrete and lead became the new gold of the subterranean era.
Maintenance of the gateway. In a global crisis, this hinge must be the most reliable machine ever built.
Svalbard, the Doomsday Vault, our planet's backup drive, protecting the code of life against any extinction event.
2026. Survival is now a software. Automated biomes that manage the breath of life without the sun.
The final destination. Starbases on other worlds. The ultimate insurance policy for the human race.
To build the bunkers of tomorrow, we must restore the eyes that watched the shadows of yesterday.
Cleaning the lungs of the shelter. In the deep underground, a single molecule of poison is a death sentence.
Titanium, light as aluminum, strong as steel, the primary shell material of the 2026 generation.
Hardening the digital brain. These circuits must survive an electromagnetic pulse to tell us the truth.
Calories against time. We are restoring the technology of preservation to understand how we fed the fear.
The atmosphere mixer. Every turn of this handle balances the ratio of nitrogen to the life-giving oxygen.
Navigation in the dark. In the void of a disaster, knowing where the world is becomes a spiritual anchor.
Digital archaeology. We scan the stone to find hidden weaknesses in the primary defensive structure.
Shielding the data. Blocking the magnetic storm is the only way to keep the future's memories alive.
Privacy in the depths. Restoring the human scale of survival, where even a small lock meant safety.
Adaptive transparency. Seeing the danger outside only when the system decides you are ready.
Lead, the densest barrier. Restoring the vessels that hold the world's most dangerous secrets. Signals from the abyss. The binary language of the forgotten age. Restored to hear the world's heartbeat.
Access granted. Your unique genetic code is the only master key to this fortress of atoms.
Backup power. When the grid dies, human muscle becomes the only source of light in the darkness.
Density. Powering a whole civilization for 1,000 years in a single, silent snap.
Every shelter needs an exit. We are restoring the secret paths that gave our ancestors a second chance.
Finding the stable zones. Geography is the first line of defense in an unstable world.
Truth in the needle. Navigation in the void of the underground. Always knowing where the stars were.
Additive survival. Replacing what was broken with what was engineered to never fail again.
Trust has always required a mechanism. Even in the mud of antiquity, security was a priority. A library of breath, remembering the wars of the air to protect the survivors of the future.
Internal monitoring. Survival is personal. The machine knows your fear before you do.
Water, the most precious asset in the dark. Restoring the vessels of life-sustaining hydration.
Lighting the abyss. Creating an artificial sun for the concrete Eden of the underworld.
Communication. Because the greatest danger in survival is the silence of isolation.
Returning to the flame. Even in the age of fusion, the simple light is our oldest comfort.
Straight lines and structural integrity. Engineering the perfect fortress requires mathematical perfection.
The Scout. Seeing the danger above ground while you remain safe within the titanium womb.
Versatility. The companion of every survivor. Restoring the multi-tools that defined an era of preparedness.
Old cures for new fears. The wisdom of the ancients preserved in the sterile halls of the future.
Digital filtration. Every breath you take is now signed, verified, and cleaned by an algorithm.
Warmth. The physical heart of any home, even when that home is buried under a kilometer of granite.
Efficiency. Total nutrition delivered in a second. We have mastered the energy of survival.
Hardening. Building the defensive shell layer by layer. Information meeting the strength of Earth. Victorian survival. Bringing back the elegance of the darkness, where light was a luxury of the elite.
Cleaning with photons, destroying the unseen bacterial enemies of the underground world. Looking up. Because the danger in 2026 is no longer only ground-based.
Warmth in the wires. Restoring the soul of analog communication for the world after the pulse.
Custom security. Only you hold the digital pattern. The restoration of absolute ownership.
The original lock. When survival was a simple turn of forged iron against the unknown.
Hermetic seal, keeping the vacuum of the void or the poison of the sky exactly where it belongs.
Repairing the repairer. Even the master needs maintenance in the world where nothing is replaced. Seeing clearly in the end times. Restoring the vision systems for the guardians of the underground.
50,000 years of defiance. One story of human grit. The evolution of survival is complete.
Algorithm complete. Survival system online. Value and safety restored to the sanctuary.
Don't be left outside. Subscribe to join the lab and prepare for what comes next. What should we restore?
A testament to the greatest defensive achievement of our history. God bless the survivors.
Field surgery. Survival isn't just about the thickness of walls. It's about the chemistry of pain management.
Planning for the end. Knowing the escape routes before the storm arrives is the ultimate advantage.